Did you know that the magnificent Chehel Sotun Palace in Isfahan doesn't actually have 40 columns? The name Chehel Sotun translates to 40 columns, but in reality the palace features only 20. The secret behind its name lies in the stunning reflection of these 20 columns in the long, clear pool at the entrance, creating the illusion of 40. This architectural marvel is a testament to the ingenuity of Persian design, where art and nature harmoniously blend to create breathtaking illusions. Hello, fellow adventurers. I'm Sarah, and today we're embarking on a journey through time as we explore one of Iran's most enchanting historical sites, Chehel Sotun Palace in the heart of Isfahan. This palace is not just a building, it's a story etched in wood, stone, and water, a story that has captivated visitors for centuries. As we approach the palace, the first thing that catches our eye is the expansive garden that surrounds it. Covering approximately 67,000 square meters, this lush garden is a masterpiece of Persian landscaping. Tall, verdant trees line the pathways, their leaves whispering tales of the past. The air is filled with the fragrance of blooming flowers, and the gentle murmur of water features adds to the serene ambiance. Leading up to the palace is a long, pristine pool, its surface so clear and undisturbed that it mirrors the sky above. This pool not only enhances the aesthetic appeal, but also plays a crucial role in the palace's unique naming. Upon reaching the grand entrance, we're greeted by the sight of 20 towering wooden columns. Each column is intricately carved and rises majestically, supporting the palace's portico. But here's where the magic happens. As you gaze upon the pool, these 20 columns reflect perfectly in the water, creating the illusion of 40 columns. It's this mesmerizing visual effect that earned the palace its name, Chehel Sotun, or 40 columns. The construction of Chehel Sotun began under the reign of Shah Abbas I of the Safavid dynasty. Initially, a smaller pavilion was built within the royal gardens. However, it was during the rule of Shah Abbas II that the palace was expanded to its current grandeur, serving as a venue for royal receptions and ceremonies. The architectural design of the palace is a harmonious blend of Persian, Chinese, and French influences, reflecting the Safavid era's openness to artistic and cultural exchanges. As we step closer, the exterior walls and the ceiling of the portico come into view, adorned with intricate frescoes and tile work. The vibrant colors and detailed patterns showcase the artistic mastery of the era. The ceiling, in particular, is a marvel, featuring elaborate designs that have withstood the test of time. It's not just us who are entranced by this beauty. Tourists from around the world wander the grounds, capturing photographs, sketching the scenery, or simply standing in awe of the palace's splendor. The universal appeal of Chehel Sotun lies in its ability to transcend cultural and temporal boundaries, offering a glimpse into a world where art and architecture coalesce seamlessly. Now, let's venture inside the palace, where the true artistic treasures await. The interior walls are adorned with magnificent frescoes, each telling a story from Iran's rich tapestry of history. These paintings are not mere decorations. They are narratives captured in vivid detail. One of the most striking frescoes depicts the Battle of Chaldiran, illustrating the conflict between the Safavid and Ottoman empires. The intensity of the battle is palpable, with warriors clad in traditional armor, horses mid-gallop, and the chaos of combat rendered meticulously. Another fresco showcases the reception of the Uzbek king by Shah Abbas II, highlighting the diplomatic engagements of the era. The scene is opulent, with lavish garments, intricate carpets, and a sense of regal grandeur. These masterpieces were crafted by skilled artists of the Safavid period, who employed natural pigments and traditional techniques to bring these stories to life. The creation of such detailed frescoes would have taken years, requiring not only artistic talent, but also a deep understanding of the historical and cultural context they represent. The mediums used included natural dyes and pigments derived from minerals and plants, which have remarkably retained their vibrancy over the centuries. The frescoes cover various themes, from historical battles to royal ceremonies, each encapsulating a moment in time. As we move through the halls, it's impossible not to be captivated by the sheer amount of detail in each painting. Every brushstroke tells a story, every color evokes emotion, and collectively, they offer a window into a bygone era. If you're enjoying this exploration of Chehel Sotun Palace, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Your support helps us bring more of these historical adventures.
Collumns.